Hey guys! Yesterday was a very interesting day. All I could think about was that I still had to make a video for that day. The only things I had with me were my phone, which has a very crappy camera, and my iPod. The iPod was actually below 20%. I had to make sure that whatever it was that I was going to share with you, it had to be short and it had to be taken in one go. Surprisingly, it went pretty well, although it kind of stands out in comparison to all of the other videos that I made. For starters, my background was actually the real world and not the evil bunny behind me. So for today's video, I kind of wanted to discuss something that actually surprised me a bit. Yesterday, I received this book, The Decision Book. It's a book that focuses on decision making. How surprising! It's kind of cool because I'm in the middle of making a lot of decisions right now, especially considering my working and private life. And I'm noticing that a lot of the things that I'm dealing with right now are actually written down in this book. I haven't really opened it up yet to see what it contains, but I did see something that is really in line with the videos I'm making right now, and I'm just gonna read that for you guys. Pay attention to your words, because they become actions. Pay attention to your actions, because they become habits. Pay attention to your habits, because they become your character. Pay attention to your character, because it is your fate. Now, I don't know why, but these words were very powerful, and it is especially the kind of stuff that you deal with when you're continuously self-reflecting upon the steps that you're taking. Meaning that while this book will assist me in making decisions, it is still up to me to reflect upon whether those decisions were the right ones to make. As I mentioned in previous videos, it is very important to just stay yourself. The interesting thing about this text is that it is very much in line with what I'm doing with these videos, especially the first part where it's about putting thoughts into words and putting words into actions. I'm really trying to stay responsible while making these videos and to stay and stick to whatever I promised to you guys. Today is a great day outside, and what I did today was clean my windows because, well, I just felt like it. Tomorrow I'll be at the office again, and aside from making a video, I will be planning my entire week because I have a lot of things to do. So it is very likely that tomorrow's video will be about planning an entire week, and I'm gonna try to give you tips on how to approach that. In the meanwhile, I wish you a very nice evening if it's evening, or a very nice day if you're seeing this during daytime, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.